Already we have two branches in this district. Punjab National Bank having around 5,800 branches and doing a business of around 7 lakh crores. We have a focus on priority sector in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We are having a CD ratio of 176%, and if we take only the rural and semi-urban branches, our CD ratio is more than 200%. So that means we are lending far more than the resources we are garnering here. With 88th branch, Punjab National Bank has a focus to reach out to the people in the Kupam, and in Kupam, which is also an educational hub and has a lot of farming activity going on. Punjab National Bank wants to bring the credit facilities to the farmers, to the education loans, to all other entrepreneurs, because we have some industrial activity also in this area. So we want to bring about new banking experience. We have today opened this branch with an ATM, which it is also a Pragati oriented branch. We have envisaged a transformation exercise in which first of all we are creating an ambience which provides the best technological platform for the customer. We are also providing with a self-service area where we are providing facilities where the customer, without even any help of any staff member, can round the clock 24/7. They can withdraw cash, they can deposit cash, they can get their passbook updated, they can deposit the checks. So all these facilities he can do on his own. This is self-service area we are providing. In the branches we have also created a new facility where we have a queue system is being provided. So all the customers who enter the bank need not go and stand in a queue. They are attended by a reception officer who will allot them to specific seats where his work will be done, and they can be seated very comfortably, and at the time when their turn comes, they can go and get their work done without standing in the queue. So that kind of experience is being provided. In education loans, we have Punjab National Bank is providing in line with the national goals. So Punjab National Bank is making available education loans to all the needy students, because one of the objective of the government is that no person, no student should be denied education for want of finances. So we have to make the finance available, and we have to ensure that every student, every needy student who has the capacity to study and who can secure admission should be given the education loan so that he can complete his education. While giving the education loan, we take into account not the income of the parents, but rather how much income will be generated by the student after he completes his education and is able to get an employment. So looking at that, at the potential of a student, the needful loan is given, and all the facilities are given. So education loans are provided to every student. And this year we are planning to open another 4 branches. We are going to open.
Yes.
So 5 branches will be adding this year, and with that we are looking at the potential areas where on one part we will be growing, second part we will be providing banking services and banking experience to those people where we feel that there is an urgent need. Punjab National Bank is the second largest bank in our country. It is the largest nationalized bank, and Punjab National Bank, which was formed in 1895, we have completed 117 years, was born with a mission because it was a part of the Indian independence movement. This was a bank formed with the Swadeshi capital, the first Indian bank to be created with Indian capital, with Indian management. It was for Indians. We played a very, very important role in financial development of the country, and we continue to hold that mission. Presently our chairman, Mr. K.R. Kamal, who also hails from this area. So we are totally focused on bringing a transformation creating a new kind of banking experience for the people and reaching out to the people where no bank has reached so far. So we want to play our role in the development of the country and in the economic resurgence of India, which I think is a focus which we have to all hold very very high in the present time. Now the target in this branch will depend on how much support the customers can give us. We have put in place a very very dedicated team, people who have been given a mission that they have to play a very important role, and I feel that today if the people can make use, people can also come forward. This is going to be a milestone day for the city of Kupang, and we will play our role in growth. Punjab National Bank has so many success stories. There are so many people who started banking with the bank. People now come to us, people who had availed a loan of 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees. Today they are availing facilities of hundreds of crores. The reason being they have grown that much, and there is a belief that Punjab National Bank का पैसा फलता है, because PNB wants to serve with all our intentions, with all our passion.